Good morning dear students, and you're most welcome is in English class. Dear students, for last 3 sessions we have tried to complete the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum by Stephen Spander. But today finally, ultimately we are going to end up the poem today. So just have a look on the board. Unless governor, inspector, visitor. Here in this line the poet urges, the poet requests, Stephen Spander pleads to all those people who are the concerned people, who are the people like educator, they can help these slum areas children to achieve their dreams, to fulfill their desires by making them available to all the resources and means. तो यहाँ पर बात की गई है कि governor, inspector and visitor. You know all these people very well, that these are the concerned people who just make help, who just create an era, an environment, everything for making availability of all the resources, कि जितने भी आपके resources available कराए जाते हैं, जो साधन बच्चों के लिए उपलब्ध कराए जाते हैं, तो यहाँ पर स्टीफन स्पैंडर ने अर्ज किया, उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि इन सारे बच्चों के लिए ये सारी चीज़ें उपलब्ध कराई जाएं, सारे साधन उपलब्ध कराए जाएं, जिससे स्लम एरियाज के जो चिल्ड्रन हैं वो सही तरीके से अपनी पढ़ाई को शुरू कर सकें या जारी रख सकें. दिस मैप बिकम्स देयर विंडो एंड दीज विंडोज एक्चुअली दे आर residing in a limited criteria, the confined area where their future has been shrunk, like they can't move, they have a narrow opinion, they are facing so many hardships which is completely undigestive for the posterity of our country. कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. That shut upon their lives like catacombs. Catacombs refer to the cemetery, the tomb. Means their future is just like a fog. They have totally darkness. They are not having a radiant of hopefulness. So here the poet urges, this is our priority, this is our duty, this is our responsibility, and we can say also the liability to just make them forget their sorrows, shut upon their lives like catacombs. Catacomb cemetery means just as the congested areas these children are residing, कि जिस तरीके से वो एक कहते हैं कि एक मकबरा, एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंजेस्टेड एरिया में वो रह रहे हैं, तो हम क्या करें, दूर कर दें उनकी ज़िंदगी से जितने भी उनके दुख हैं उनको. ब्रेक ओ ब्रेक ओपन टिल दे ब्रेक द टाउन. ब्रेक ओ ब्रेक, दिस इज आवर लाइबिलिटी टू ब्रेक द बैरियर्स विच आर कमिंग इन देयर वे ऑफ लर्निंग, कि उनकी शिक्षा के रास्ते में जितने भी बैरियर आ रहे हैं, जितने भी गतिरोधक आ रहे हैं, ये हमारी ड्यूटी है. If we are going to remove all these barriers from their lives, the day is not far when the children will move forward to break all the barriers which come in their way of learning. कि वो बच्चे खुद आगे बढ़ेंगे और अपनी ज़िंदगी में जितने भी उनके गतिरोधक आ रहे हैं, उनके अंदर इतनी कैपेसिटी होगी, इतना कैलिबर होगा, इतना स्टैमिना होगा कि वो दिन दूर नहीं जब वो अपनी ज़िंदगी की गतिरोधक, दे विल बी सेल्फ डिपेंड, उनके अंदर वो क्षमता आ जाएगी कि वो अपनी जिंदगी को अपने तरीके से सरवाइव कर पाएंगे, उनकी जो पढ़ाई है सही तरीके से चल पाएगी. एंड शो द चिल्ड्रन टू ग्रीन फील्ड्स एंड मेक देयर वर्ल्ड. वी शुड मेक देम एजुकेट इन अ प्रैक्टिकल मैनर. वी शुड टेक देम इन द लैप ऑफ नेचर, कि उनको एक प्रैक्टिकल वे में पढ़ाई कराएं, हरे भरे खेतों में उनको ले जा करके वो सारी चीजें दिखाएं, एंड मेक देयर वर्ल्ड so that the desire to learn more and more will originate all those children's heart. कि उन बच्चों के दिल में खुद से एक डिजायर जन्म लेगी, एक इच्छा जन्म लेगी कि हमें पढ़ना चाहिए. इतनी खूबसूरत चीजें जो हमें दिखाई जा रही हैं, शायद वही हमारी स्टडी में है, तो शायद हमें पढ़ना चाहिए. दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग एंड ब्यूटीफुल. Run azure on gold sands. Even here green fields depict too the nature, and white, if we depicts about, white refers to the book, Here in this line I am talking about. Run azure on gold sands and lag their turn. Azure refer to the deep blue color of sky. These children should get an opportunity to run under the open sky, कि वो खुले आसमान के नीचे दौड़ सकें on gold sands, उनको सुनहरी बालू, मतलब कहने का क्या है कि उनको एक प्रैक्टिकल एनवायरनमेंट में ले जाकर के स्टडी कराना चाहिए. Let their tongues, so that let means forget, stay away from their tongues. Here refers for the sorrows, कि वो अपने दुखों को भूल जाएं, जो उनकी प्रीवियस एजुकेशन सिस्टम था उसको शायद भूलने की कोशिश करें, कि वहाँ जहाँ अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज थी अब वो पहले से बेटर फील करें. Run naked into books, the white and green leaves open. Run naked into books. The white means they study in the same manner as the green leaves open. हरे भरे माहौल में ले जाए means what? कि we should take them in the lap of nature, green environment, and they study the same in their books. That will be beneficial for all of those children, because whatever the same environment they are going to see in a practical manner, in the practical aspects, the same they are going to just experience in their lives. That will be amazing factor of their lives, because since the beginning they have studied in the confined area and the congested atmosphere, but now they are having the all resources, opportunities. This will be only the beginning. We will say that only beginning, not the surety, not the competency, not the completeness, but it will be only a good beginning. What will be the ultimate result for them? History there whose language is the sun. What will happen that? History there whose language is the sun. It means the day is not far when the children will be able to create their own history with their own attempts and efforts, and they will be able to brighten their names in the golden words, because history there whose language is the sun. By their attempts they will be able to brighten their names, कि वो दिन दूर नहीं जब ये बच्चे अपना ही खुद एक इतिहास रचेंगे, और इतिहास हमेशा उनका होता है जिनकी भाषा सूर्य होती है. जिनकी भाषा सूर्य होती है means what? Those are able to attempt, those are able to execute the efforts. And you know that when we are attempting, when we are making an attempt, when we are going to execute the efforts, ultimately the result will be positive, and we all people will be able to improve the lives of these slum areas children. So I think, dear students, you have enjoyed this poem very much. If you have enjoyed, if you have liked, please write in the comment. If you have faced any type of problem, you just don't forget to mention in the comment, so that in the upcoming videos, in the upcoming sessions, we could make it improve. And as I hope so that you are learning something, and this is our best effort to provide you our views, our opinions to all of you. And those are the new subscribers, please press the bell icon and subscribe it, so that in upcoming time you can get more and more content and videos regarding to your syllabus. Until then, take care and bye-bye. In the upcoming session, we will meet with a new topic, new chapter. Thanks. Have a nice day.